Hey everyone, have you heard about Web 3.0 or Web 3.0 and wondering what it means? Well, you are in the right place. Let's talk about it in a really easy way, like we are exploring a new playground. First, let's take a tiny step back. Web 1.0 was all about reading. It was like having a library online where you could look up informations. Then come up with 2.0, where we all started to write, share, and also talk to each other on the internet, just like in social media and also applications or website. Now we are stepping into the Web 3.0, which is even cooler. Imagine the internet knowing what you like, helping you out, and even keeping your stuff safe without needing to trust on big company with all your photos or messages. Web 3.0 is very smart. It's like having a robot friend who knows exactly what you are looking for, help you find it faster, and also make sure your private things stay private. It's also about being part of a big community where everyone gets a say, not just the big companies. With Web 3.0, the internet becomes more like a big team game where everyone ideas and also stuff are safe and sound. It's about making the online world smarter, fair, and also more fun for everyone. So what do you think Web 3.0 will be like? Are you excited about having a smart and also safe internet? Let us know in the comment. And also, if you are enjoying these videos, don't forget to hit the like, share with your friends, and also subscribe for more awesome explanations. Catch you on the next video adventure.